Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these resin dangly Mickey ornaments. They can also be made into keychains. So first I am using this Disney silicone mold. It has a Mickey head, the Mickey shorts, and the Mickey gloves. I'm pouring my resin into it. You can use either UV curing or just the regular two-part mix. I'm taking some iridescent glitter flakes, which is like a chopped up holographic plastic, mix it on in there, and for the shorts I opted for a sparkly pink. I ended up doing the gloves the next day, but I just put a white glitter with it. I let them cure, and then I'm just going to clean up these edges from the stirring. And taking my chalk marker, I fill in the dots on the shorts. You can easily take some acrylic paint as well, which is what I did for the gloves here. I just used a really small paintbrush and some black acrylic paint, filled in the little dots for the gloves, and just wiped off the excess off the top to make sure that the edge is super clean. After that has dried, I then took a clear nail polish just to set the entire thing in. You can also do a clear coat of epoxy on top, but I found that this worked just as well and was a little more cost effective, and just kind of sealed everything in quickly without having to wait too long for it. Once you pop them out, they're super cute. I took my little hand drill to create some little holes to string them along together. For the glove, I kept it at the bottom and I drilled one hole right at the top. Then for the shorts, I had drilled a hole at the top and the bottom in the center, so that way I can attach the glove below it and the Mickey head above it. For the Mickey head, I had drilled two holes as well, one hole at the bottom of the head and one at the top, so I can have something to hang it by or attach it to a keyring. Initially I was going to take some fishing line to string it together, but I ended up changing my mind and taking a metal wire to put it together for more stability. My camera cropped out, but this is what the finished product looks like. It's super cute for any Christmas decorations, for your tree, making an ornament, or any fridge magnets if you want to use the individual pieces. And lastly, super cute keyring. All you have to do is order one of those, the jump ring attachments, and instead of stringing fishing line through the top, just attach that and you are good to go.